written tips for preparing your property for a stellar photo shoot. Hi, this is Kim with Meeker Realty Group. As the date for your property's photo shoot approaches, I wanted to ensure that you are well prepared to showcase your home in the best possible light. A successful photo shoot can significantly impact buyers' interests, so it's important to make a first impression. To help you with that, here are the top 5 things you should prepare for your property's photo shoot. Declutter and clean. Start by decluttering and tidying up each room. Remove personal items, excess furniture, and any unnecessary items that could distract potential buyers. A clean and clutter-free space allows buyers to envision themselves in your property.